Okay, yesterday we did Order of Operations Worksheet 1. Today we're going to do Worksheet 2. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Number 2. First things first, PEMDAS, right? So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P means parentheses. I have two sets of parentheses. We do the innermost ones first. So that means every single term in parentheses gets dropped down, and I only do the 10 minus 8, which is going to be 2. And I drop the parentheses out after them. So now I still have parentheses, so I'm still working inside there. I drop down the 20 in the division, and I'm going to do 4 minus 2, which is 2. And then 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay? Next problem, number 4. So if you're looking at number 4 there, what do we do first? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, says I do parentheses first. So that means I recopy everything that you see to the left, and 5 minus 3 is 2. That's the calculation I do. I don't have any exponents, so now I'm going to do multiplication or division, whichever one I see first. So the things that I see first is going to be 40 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 is going to be 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. Okay. Next, this one's a little bit different. Okay. This is kind of like doing two problems. Here's one problem. Here's the second problem. And then we have the third problem that is in there, those two numbers attached by subtraction. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the yellow problem, and we're going to take 2 times 7, which is 14. Then I'm going to drop down the 10, and then I'm going to do the denominator of the 9 minus 4, which is going to be 5. Then I'm going to keep doing the 10 divided by 5. The 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then 14 minus 2 is 12. And that problem is done. Number 10, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. From left to right, I'm going to do this parenthesis. Now there's addition and subtraction there, so we're going to take it one step at a time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 10 plus the 20. 10 plus 20 is 30, and I recopy the rest of the problem. Then I'm going to do this first parenthesis, which is going to be 30 minus 2, which is 28, and recopy the problem. Now, you're going to continue on with this problem. You're going to do the next parenthesis, and this is going to be 28 minus 11 plus 3 is going to be 14. And then the last thing, you're going to take 28 minus 14, and that is going to give you 14 as well. Okay? And the next problem, again, we have several problems here. We have the numerator problem, we have the denominator problem, we have this problem, and then we have the very middle problem right there. I don't know why I'm highlighting the wrong thing. Sorry. Okay? So we are going to do the numerator first. So 6 squared is 36. 4 squared is 16. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this right here, which is 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is what I'm going to do first. Drop down the 2, and 3 minus 2 is going to be a 1. Minus. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 cubed. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is going to be an 8. So now I'm going to take 36, take away 16, because this is a problem up here. 36 minus 16 is going to give you 20. 2 times 1 is going to be 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Minus 8 is going to be 2. And that is Order of Operations Worksheet number 2.